So we are 2 weeks into coronavirus. I run Love It TV, the YouTube channel, getting people off the sofa into nature. We've done loads of videos on growing food. We're going to be doing a series of videos over the next 8 weeks. Starting in a normal garden, we're going to take some of the turf off, we're going to prep the beds, we're going to plant seeds, we're going to have a whole range of vegetables, potatoes, onions, sweet corn, chives, cabbage, loads of different lettuces, herbs. The idea is people haven't got much to do at the moment, people might not have much money, people might not have much food. People might need to get into nature and people need stuff to do. Growing food ticks so many boxes. It will save you money, it will reduce contact with other people, it will allow you to be very healthy, it will allow you to have your own food, and it will also get you out into nature doing stuff which is good for your head and good for your body. If you could share these videos, subscribe to the channel, stay in contact with us, and in 8 weeks time we're going to have a buzzing garden with loads of amazing food and a little bit more money in the bank.